Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Subaru has debuted the 2024 BRZ TS with some minor changes and sharpening of the sporty coupe. So, what's new? There is a new Brembo brake kit, front and rear with a gold caliper. The setup has 12.8-inch rotor in the front and 12.4-inch rotors in the rear. Outside are some TS logos in red. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter flat 4 making 228 horsepower at a screaming 7,000 red line and 184 pound-feet of torque. The torque is at 3,700 RPM now, paired to a 6-speed manual only in the TS. It weighs just 2,815 pounds too, thanks to heavy aluminum usage. 0 to 60 has a drop from 7 seconds to 6.1 seconds in the manual. Under the skin is an STI suspension with the new Hitachi dampers, 18-inch wheels and more. The TS will be the new flagship trim for the BRZ lineup and will not be limited. Subaru also is fitting EyeSight to the manual BRZ TS. Inside is a blue stitching and a blue leather accents. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Subaru BRZ TS? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.